Hi, everybody. This is Craig, the water guy. I hope you're doing well today. Are you searching for a water softener cleaner to help clean the resin up on your softener bed? We definitely recommend that you use a water softener cleaner about once a month when you add salt to your system. Just use the instructions on the back of the bottle and pour it in your brine well. That way, when the system goes through regeneration, this Res Care will actually strip off the hardest minerals and revive your resin bed, make it last longer, and improve the quality of your water. Make sure the system stays as efficient as possible. You can go to our website at qualitywatertreatment.com and go ahead and search for Res Care and bring it up and purchase yourself a bottle. One bottle will last you about a year, and it'll really help your water softener out and make your resin last a lot longer. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for visiting and have a great day.